Let us show you how to set up the demonstration tank. Shipped in the container you will find the demo kit tank and 2 pieces of green pipe with a grey hose pipe in it. To set up the tank you will need the Allen key. First, loosen the bolts on the clamping system of the tank with the Allen key. Remove the bottom and top clamp. Now place the 2 green pipes together, forming a stand. You can do this by pulling the grey hose pipe out or pushing the 2 green pipes together. Make sure the corner on the bottom is exactly opposite the corner on the top. And push the green parts firmly into each other. Now you can place the pipe onto the tank. Depending on the version of demo tank you have, you might need to elevate the tank slightly with a block or small table to allow for enough space for the corner on the bottom of the green hose pipe. You will need to place the straight thinner part of the green pipe into the 2 clamps. Place the pipe on, take the clamp and screw the bolt back on. The demonstration tank is now ready to be connected to the SF2 and be used to demonstrate the output of the pump. The suction hose pipe is dropped into the tank and connected to the suction side of the pump. The hose pipe that's assembled in the green larger pipe is connected to the discharge side of the pump. In this way, water is circulated from the tank through the pump to the output of the green pipe and back into the tank.